welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing with the James Charles Morphe palette. I am again gonna do just a get ready with me slash vlog about random things going on in my life slash makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys love it. If you hate these, let me know. Like, I want to hear feedback from you guys. Comment below if you love it. Like, subscribe, share. I love the love. Love you guys. Alright, let's get started.
Oh, you make me want to talk back to you. Say
I'm going to start with the NARS Radiance Primer. You guys know I'm obsessed with it. I've been putting it in every video. This is the NARS Radiance Primer. Alright, I'm going to do my brows real quick. Precisely my brow pencil by Benefit. Can't even see it. You guys know what it looks like because I hold it up in every video. Right now I'm using Benefit's Gimme Brow, and I don't know why it's done this, but like the paint kind of came off, so I can't even show you guys like the name of the thing because it's coming off. I feel like I should be giving you guys more tips rather than just showing you through the tutorials, because there's so many little things that makeup artists do that they don't ever say on their videos, and I'm one of those people too. Like, I don't hide things from you guys on my videos, but there are certain things that I just don't tell you that I'm doing. Like, for example, with the Gimme Brow, if I want my brows to be like a little bit like more defined or a little bit thicker, I will actually, so I'll do one brow, go to the other one, and then go back and do a second coat and build it up. That's something I don't tell you guys. But if you have like really thin hairs like I do, sometimes it's nice to just build it up a little bit. You should know though that once you put on the Gimme Brow and you go back to brush it out, sometimes you'll get like little chunks coming out if you try to brush it out. So I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion because I really like to use it with like really pigmented colors, but I just realized that I put white over it, so I've never actually set it with white and then used it with other colors. It's just what I normally do with the Shape Tape, so I know the pigment's not going to show up as bright since the primer is still like, it's covered by the white. It's not sticky like it normally is when I put the shadow on. God, I can't even talk to me. Okay, so I'm going to use this blue to start out with. I usually like to start with a lighter color of blue, but there's not really a lighter shade in here that's not shiny, so it is what it is. Plus, I'm gonna make a super crazy look anyway, so it's like whatever. Yeah, it'll look mixed with the white that works for the show. Get that for show. Some of you will call it. So, I've been telling my friends that I've been waking up super early lately. Like, if you guys know me, you know that all through high school and college, like, I love my bed, I love sleep, and I love sleeping in. I don't anymore, actually. I don't love sleeping in. Every time I sleep in, I feel bad about it. Even if I sleep until like 8, I'm like, oh, why did I waste my morning away? Like, I love waking up early and just taking that time for myself to just, I have the time to I have the time to experiment with makeup and, you know, film these, and I have the time to do yoga and feel good about my body and make coffee and just like spend some quiet, peaceful, alone time. And also, my cat and my dog both like start meowing and barking at the same time at about 6:30 in the morning. They really won't let me be lazy, which is, it's honestly, it's kind of a blessing. Never thought I'd say that. Oh my god, it already looks like I'm a prostitute mom. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm just kidding. She always used to say you can't wear blue eyeshadow. Like, that's a stripper's wearing blue eyeshadow. Oh, when I was in high school and stuff, like, you know how moms are. But now she's different and makeup has changed, so I know you're watching, Mom. She doesn't hate on my crazy eyeshadow anymore. Alright, so what I'm going to do is actually take the Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette and use the light blue in here to kind of blend that out as a transition because there's not a super light blue in the other one. But this one is matte, so this will work. It'll work. I need a transition, it's not working. The camera cut out at like the perfect time where I had just run out of coffee, so I ran upstairs to get some coffee, and then Kai was up there. He had just woken up, so I got to get him some breakfast and get him all situated while I finish this up quick. Everything happens for a reason. It's so nice. Like, I can just see the universe working in my favor lately. So next, I'm gonna go with this color. It's kind of like a cobalt, a lighter cobalt blue. Well, this def isn't my favorite look so far, but sometimes I'm thinking that and I'm like, God, maybe I should just start over. But then I finish it and I'm like, ooh, that's kind of good. So like, I may change my mind by the end of it. Now I'm gonna go with this darker blue. Wait, the darker. Coming together a little more now, you know. I'm starting to like it a little better. So part of the reason I didn't buy the James Charles palette for so long was because I have the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I was thinking like it's really similar because it's all rainbow colors, you know, which is a lot of what the James Charles palette is. But now that I got it, actually there's like a ton of different colors and I'm really glad I got it, and I actually am enjoying using both right now. The James Charles palette, I'm definitely bringing it on vacation because he did an amazing job. Sister, actually. She did an amazing job picking out the colors, and there are like a ton of like base colors, like the light colors that I want to put on my eye first, and there's also like browns, like dark browns and nudes, and like really nice colors. And then also what it has besides the BH Cosmetics palette doesn't, is some colors that are shimmer and they're like double pigmented, like like my nails are right now. Like they have more than one color in them, and they're my favorites. My nails and the colors in this palette. I'm gonna use the MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid. For some reason, this has always been my go-to for priming cut creases. It just, I mean, I've used a lot of different products, so I shouldn't say always, but it's been my favorite. I don't know, I haven't found one that like works quite so well. It's matte and it dries pretty quickly, and it has pretty high coverage, so it's just like exactly what I'm looking for. I film in my basement and my heater and my dryer are going right now. I just realized, like, god, it's probably so loud in the background, but I figure each tutorial I do is practice on my makeup skills, practice on being on camera, and practice on editing the videos, which I need practice. So even though these aren't perfect, I apologize, but I am learning and getting better and becoming more successful, and when I have enough money to do way better. I'm gonna go with this light icy blue there. I'm also going to use the Urban Decay setting spray because it's just gonna go on a little better. I do love the way this looks, but I just want to add a little more. So I'm gonna go. This palette's so old, but I love it. So I'm gonna go with the shimmery highlighting color in this palette because I think it'll be pretty. It's like a white. You could put it really on the inside as well, like instead of the middle like I'm doing, but I like to put it on the middle because it kind of gives like this illusion of a halo eye, I think. Honestly, I really didn't have it follow, so that's amazing to be using like these dark blue colors. There's nothing. Yes. So I'm gonna use the MAC Prep and Prime spray, and then I'm using Lancome's Re-Energy Lift makeup. You guys know I've been obsessed with this thing. Yes. It always looks perfect. And I just think it's like the perfect amount of coverage that I've been liking lately. I just don't like it when it's like too caked on. And it's kind of good for your skin actually. It doesn't make me feel like itchy or like I'm breaking out. If you guys notice, actually my breakouts are finally starting to go away and my skin's really clearing up. So I'm super happy about that. Okay, I'm going to use the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick because I'm stuck on this too. I'm just like loving the way that this is coming out. I need to find a new system and new products for you guys so I can tell you about more products, but right now, like, these are my faves. They do work good. I want to use them every day, I'll tell you that. Yeah, and I've just now decided that I'm going to try it to use this Luxie 532 round top blender brush. It's working quite well. I like when it blends it out, it doesn't like pick up too much of the product and take it off. That's the worst. Going again with the NARS Laguna bronzer, another obsession of mine lately.
Woke up, no shirt, I lost my phone. I don't know how I made it home. Swore that this time would be the end.
I'm only going to go under my eyes with this because even though I've been obsessed with Shape Tape for the longest, it is by far the highest coverage and I love it. I've been finding that it's like just a little too much coverage for me lately, so I'm just going to go under my eyes with it because my bags seem to show through if I use anything different. So I'm still going to keep using Shape Tape for this. And I love priming my eyes with Shape Tape as well. Yeah, it looks so pretty when you don't use a lot of it. Yeah. That's another thing. People are like, oh, I'm going to return this Shape Tape because it's so thick. And it's like, no, if you just don't use as much, actually. Perfect. But I am still going to use the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. And I'm gonna put a little bit under the eyes too, even though I don't really need it now, but I don't know why I'm doing this. Next I'm gonna use the La Mercier Secret Brightening Powder for under eyes. I'm going with the Morphe 321. This is also the brush that I use like directly in the crease with the darkest color. So I'm going to go ahead with the darkest blue color underneath my eyes now. The Morphe G13 brush, if I can find that one. Well. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this brush from Bare Minerals, airbrush shadow brush. So it is kind of similar. I'm gonna use it with the brightest glue that I started with. Cast off excess product, especially when you underneath your eyes. And I find that the shadow underneath my eyes kind of seems to disappear throughout the day. I think that maybe I don't put enough on actually. So I'm gonna go a little more extra with that than I normally do. And then I'm gonna use the Morphe Highlight and Contour palette and go with a slightly darker color. Yeah. And then I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection. Okay, and I'm going to use the Stardust highlight out of the Morphe Highlight and Contour. It's the white one, which I never use, but I feel like it turns out pink. I feel like might as well because I'm already doing a blue look, right? Okay. And then I'm going to highlight my inner eye using this color. Yeah. Ooh, okay. And my camera is about to die. So I'm going to put mascara on, apply lashes, charge my camera for a moment, and then show you guys the finished look. So I'm almost done. I'm just going to throw on those things that I said and a lipstick. Get my camera cuts out. I'm actually going to use the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish. Just for a little more highlight because there, I need a little more white. A little more my style. I'm going to use the MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. Then I'm going to use ColourPop's Appy. And I'm going to use Too Faced Melted Matte and Holy Chic. Just put it in the middle of my lip. Y'all know I love my ombre lips. Okay, and then I'm going to use the Dior Show Mascara Waterproof. And then I'm going to apply lashes. I applied Vanity Lashes in style Vain, and here's the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Love you. Can we still be best friends? Not usually. I'm just sitting here with the James Charles palette on my lap. Oh yeah, it's the James Charles palette. I swatched it. Oh my god. Extra dimension. So,